I've been on stage very many times. More times than I can count actually, and even twice in this very arena. But for some reason today, kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ako not because I'm in front of so many people, but because I'm just truly happy to be here. Truly happy to be here, seeing all of your wonderful faces. Receiving this award, the Hans TC Award, it really hits different. Because I've received so many awards in the past, but this award is given by all of you. All of you who have been the key to my success in this very wonderful journey. So of course I have to say thank you, and I also have to say sorry because, just writing a speech, it kind of made me emotional. When I get emotional, baka mag-blank ako. So, the journey that I had stepping into this role as your Ate Michelle, has been so momentous. It has been years, also a journey with us holding hands, but it's also an honor to be here with all of you. All of you have been the key reason to my success, and it shaped my life in more ways than one. It goes beyond any title or any crown because it's our collective effort to make a positive change. So while I'm up here, I really have to thank two individuals that inspired me since I was young. And those two individuals are my two siblings on the autism spectrum. That's Adam and Zan.